Hey everyone! Today, I want to dive into something that affects all of us, whether we realize it or not: exercise. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Exercise? Ugh, it sounds like a chore, right? But let me tell you, it's so much more than just sweating it out at the gym. It's about feeling good, both inside and out. So, let's break down some of the amazing benefits of exercise that might just change your perspective. First off, let's talk about the obvious one: physical health. Regular exercise can help prevent a myriad of health issues, from heart disease to diabetes. It's like giving your body a tune-up. When you get your heart pumping, you're not just burning calories, you're improving your cardiovascular health, strengthening your muscles, and boosting your immune system. Think about it. Your body is like a car, and exercise is the oil change that keeps everything running smoothly. Who wouldn't want that? But wait, there's more. Exercise isn't just about the physical, it's a game changer for your mental health too. Have you ever noticed that after a good workout, you just feel happier? That's no coincidence. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can lift your spirits and help alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression. It's like nature's built-in mood booster. So, next time you're feeling a bit down, maybe instead of scrolling through social media, you could try a quick workout. You might be surprised at how much better you feel afterward. And let's not forget about stress relief. Life can be overwhelming, right? Between work, relationships, and everything in between, stress can pile up. Exercise is a fantastic way to blow off steam, whether it's a brisk walk, a dance class, or even some yoga. Moving your body helps release tension and clears your mind. It's like hitting the reset button. Plus, it gives you a chance to focus on something other than your worries, even if just for a little while. Now let's talk about sleep. If you're like me, you might struggle to get a good night's sleep sometimes. Well, exercise can help with that too. Regular physical activity can improve your sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Just imagine waking up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Sounds pretty great, right? It's like your body is saying, "Thank you for that workout." And here's another thing. Exercise can boost your confidence. When you set a fitness goal and crush it, there's this incredible sense of accomplishment that comes with it. Whether it's running that extra mile, lifting heavier weights, or mastering a new dance move, those little victories can translate into a greater sense of self-esteem. You start to see what your body is capable of, and it's empowering. It's not about fitting into a certain size or looking a specific way. It's about feeling strong and capable. Now, I know that starting an exercise routine can be daunting. It's easy to feel intimidated, especially if you're just beginning. But here's the thing: it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. Just find something you enjoy, whether it's hiking, biking, dancing, or even just walking around your neighborhood. The key is to make it fun and enjoyable so that you'll want to stick with it. So, there you have it. The benefits of exercise are vast and varied, touching on every aspect of our lives. From physical health to mental well-being, stress relief to confidence boosts, it's a holistic approach to taking care of ourselves. So, let's get moving. Your body and mind will thank you for it.